Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. My name is Yev and today I want to show you a kind of simple gaming mechanical keyboard, but according to the price it could be a really good choice, but I will explain this at the end of the video. Okay, here we go. Today I have a keyboard. This is AJAZZ AK820. This is not a pro version because you can have a pro version. This is a simple one, right? So what you will have inside the box? Inside the box you will have a keyboard by itself, a simple USB cable, simple keycaps and switch puller, and user manual, right? You can find this keyboard in two colors. One is like I have, gray, yellow, and light gray. And another version is white, blue, violet, right? It's up to you what you like more. From the form factor point of view, we have a standard 75% mechanical keyboard. You have a arrow key for gaming, you have a F-row for productivity, and you have a metal knob on the right side, right? You can increase volume, decrease volume, and mute and play any music or video. Also, you have a light indicators of operation system, caps lock, and all of that. I need to say that this is a wired version. I think you can find a pro version which will be wired, but this one is wired. On the bottom side, you have two level adjustable fits, and basically that's all. Now, let's check what we have as a keycaps, right? And as a keycaps, you can see, let me show you closer, that we have a double shot PBT keycaps with you see internal part as a black insert, right? And you can see this insert as a legend. So in this way, we have the several colors on one keycap. Standard keycaps, nice sim, what I can say. Now, regarding the switches, we have several nuances, what is important for you to know. First of all, this is a linear preloop AJAZZ switch with 3 pins. So if you have a keyboard with a 3-pin switch plate, PCB, right? These switches will help you, but PCB of this keyboard can accept 3 or 5-pin switches. In general, they're really calm and nice for the sound, but I will show you a full sound test of this AJAZZ AK820 at the end of the video. From the PCB point of view and RGB point of view, we have a south-facing RGB, so theoretically, if you want, you can use side-printed legends with this keyboard. Under the switch, you can see that we have a switch plate and switch pad, which is important, right? It's important for the sound of the keyboard. If you don't have anything, usually it sounds not good. But in this case, I can expect a pretty interesting sound. From the stabilizers point of view, we have pre-looped stabilizers, so all good from this angle, and you don't need to do any modding. And we have even some additional foam for the spacebar to improve the sound experience, right? From the structure point of view, we have gasket mounted structure, so we have some low flex in a PCB itself, nothing crazy, so it's not too flex, it's just in the middle for the pleasant typing and for the good sound. Okay, now let's go and connect this keyboard to my gaming PC and let's check the RGB and sound test. Okay, now when you heard the sound, I want to explain what is pretty unique in this keyboard, right? And not unique from the technology point of view, from that angle, everything is okay. You have 75% of the keyboard with a knob, with a function, with a good keycaps, with a good switches, with everything, even with a gasket structure inside the case, right? But the price, just check this out. I found this keyboard on Amazon, and for now we have a lowest price in 30 days, and this is only $37 for this keyboard for the 75%, which is big, which is like almost a normal standard keyboard, and you can have it for the less than $40. And also I can see that like 100 plus people bought this keyboard last month, which means that this keyboard is pretty popular on the market, on at least on Amazon Marketplace. And I'm sure you can find this keyboard even cheaper in other regions across the world. So if you're looking for the standard, pretty simple but standard with everything what you need with a perfect structure, and you like to have a knob on the right side, which is just great, obviously you need check this out.